Welcome to Rob Talks. Today we're exploring the new moon in Taurus on May 16, 2026, opening a powerful energetic portal for manifestation, stability, abundance, and intentional new beginnings. After the emotional intensity and transformation of the Scorpio Full Moon earlier this month, this Taurus New Moon brings calming, stabilizing energy, helping you rebuild, reconnect with your values, and create lasting foundations for the future. Taurus, which is ruled by Venus, governs self-worth, finances, security, beauty, and the physical world. This is an energy of intentional creation. It asks you to slow down, become present, and align your actions with what truly matters. In this video, we'll explore the spiritual meaning of the Taurus New Moon, what this energy is activating within you, and how it may impact each zodiac sign. This is an opportunity to plant new seeds rooted in clarity, worthiness, and stability. New moons represent the beginning of a cycle, a blank canvas where new energy begins to form beneath the surface. And Taurus reminds us that what is built slowly and intentionally has the greatest chance to last. This is not chaotic energy. Rather, it's anchoring energy. It asks you to reconnect with what truly supports your peace, your values, and your future. Taurus governs stability and security, self-worth and values, finances and abundance, also beauty, nature, and the physical world. This energy is deeply connected to the earth. It teaches patience, consistency, and trust in gradual growth. Taurus does not force manifestation. It attracts through alignment. Spiritually, this new moon is asking you to slow down enough to hear what truly matters. Not what the world tells you to chase, not what fear tells you to hold on to, but what genuinely creates peace, stability, and alignment within you. This is a powerful time to set intentions for abundance, rebuild your foundation, strengthen self-worth, and to create long-term stability. Taurus energy reminds us that our external reality grows from the value we hold within ourselves. During this new moon, you may feel a desire for emotional and financial security, a need to simplify your life, a stronger connection to nature and grounding, and a deeper awareness of what or who truly supports your well-being. You may also realize what drains your energy, what no longer aligns with your values, and even where you've been seeking stability outside yourself instead of within. Now let's look at how this new moon could impact each zodiac sign. We'll begin with Aries. Finances and self-worth come into focus. You are planting seeds for greater stability and abundance. Taurus, this is your new moon. A personal reset is unfolding. Your identity, priorities, and direction are renewing. Gemini. Inner healing and subconscious patterns are activated. Quiet reflection brings powerful clarity. Cancer. Friendships and future visions shift. You are aligning with people and goals that support your growth. Leo. Career and long-term success are highlighted. New opportunities begin forming beneath the surface. Virgo. Expansion and perspectives are activated. You are opening yourself to new possibilities and higher understanding. Libra. Transformation and emotional depth emerge. You are rebuilding trust, intimacy, and energetic balance. Scorpio. Relationships enter a new cycle. You are redefining what partnership truly means for you. Sagittarius. Health, routines, and daily life are being reset. This is a powerful time to create supportive habits. Capricorn. Creativity, joy, and passion are reawakening. You are reconnecting with what fulfills your spirit. Aquarius. Home and emotional foundations shift. You are creating greater stability within your inner world. Pisces. Communication and mindset are activated. Your words and thoughts are planting seeds for the future. Collectively, this Taurus new moon encourages us to slow down and reconnect with what is real. It supports sustainable growth, conscious creation, financial awareness, and rebuilding stability after an emotional transformation. This is a return to grounding, patience, and intentional living. Here is an affirmation surrounding this new moon in Taurus, but first please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to help us grow, thank you. Here's the affirmation. I am grounded, worthy, and aligned with abundance. I build my future with patience, intention, and trust. Thank you all for your support.